Right now, as you're watching this, thousands of people are earning a full time living using tools that didn't even exist a few years ago. I'm talking about AI, but forget the hype and the sci fi movies. I'm talking about practical, repeatable steps that beginners, people with zero coding skills and zero experience, are using to generate real income in 2026. In this video, I'm not just going to give you a list of websites. I'm going to give you a complete blueprint. We'll cover the best tools, the highest paying niches, and most importantly, the strategy to scale from your first dollar to $500 a week. If you've been looking for a sign to start your online journey, this is it. Why beginners are winning in 2026. Now, you might be asking, isn't the market saturated? The truth is quite the opposite. While many people are talking about AI, very few are actually applying it correctly. In 2026, the AI advantage is about three things: speed, quality, and low overhead. Think about it. 10 years ago, if you wanted to start a content agency, you needed a team of writers, editors, and researchers. Today, you need a laptop, a few specific AI subscriptions, and the right prompts. Beginners are winning because they are agile. They don't have the old way of doing things holding them back. Whether you're a student in California or a freelancer in Karachi, the playing field is officially level. The only thing separating you from a paycheck is action. The big three. Toolset. To make money, you need the right hammer for the right nail. Don't fall into the trap of buying 50 different subscriptions. You only need three. First, ChatGPT or Claude. This is your brain. It's for strategy, deep research, and high-level writing. Second, Canva AI. This is your designer. In 2026, Canva's Magic Studio can generate entire brand kits and video assets in seconds. Third, 11 Labs. Just like the voice you're hearing right now, 11 Labs allows you to create world-class narration without an expensive microphone or a soundproof studio. Mastery of these three tools alone is enough to launch a six-figure freelancing career. Let's look at how to actually turn them into cash. Method number one, the high volume. Freelancer. Let's get specific. One of the fastest ways to earn is AI-assisted freelancing. Go to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Notice the demand for SEO-optimized blog posts or email marketing sequences. Here's the workflow. Use ChatGPT to outline a 2,000-word article based on the client's keywords. Use your human touch to add personal anecdotes or specific brand facts. Run it through an AI editor to ensure the flow is perfect. What used to take a writer 8 hours now takes you 45 minutes. This means you can take on 5 times the clients without burning out. If you charge $50 per post and do 2 a day, that's $700 a week. The math is simple, but the execution requires focus. Method number 2, YouTube automation. This is my personal favorite, YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need a camera. You pick a niche like daily tech news or luxury lifestyle and use AI to build the channel. ChatGPT writes the script. Antonio, that's me, provides the voiceover. InVideo or Pictory finds the stock footage to match the words. The secret sauce for 2026, YouTube Shorts. AI tools can now take one long video and automatically chop it into 10 viral shorts. This is how you explode your growth and get into the YouTube Partner Program in record time. How to scale and avoid pitfalls. Before you run off to start, let's talk about the trap. The biggest mistake beginners make is prompt laziness. If you just ask AI to write a blog, it will sound like a robot. You must provide context. Tell the AI you are an expert financial advisor writing for a 25-year-old audience in New York. To scale, you need to reinvest. Take your first $100 and put it back into better tools or a virtual assistant. Your goal isn't to work for the AI. It's to make the AI work for you. Conclusion and final call to action. We've covered the tools, the methods, and the mindset. The year 2026 is full of opportunity, but it's only for those who are willing to learn. If you found this 12-minute deep dive helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I've linked all the tools and the free starter template in the description below. Remember, the best time to start was last year. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching AI Income Hub. I'll see you in the next one.